This is a video on the Calligraphy video stand tabletop phone mount. Now this stand is for if you want to do overhead shots of items or cooking or crafting, etc. So you want a top-down view. Now this stand I paid on eBay for £16.90, and I will show you. £16.90 from eBay, and as you can see in the picture, that's how it holds the phone, but I will show you. Now, as I said, it is good for baking, drawing, calligraphy, etc., or crafting, anything that you want a top-down view. How the stand comes, it comes in 3 components. You have the base here, which is this kind of H shape configuration, and you can turn in or turn out the legs of this stand. Then we have the arm here, and the arm can be adjusted to go low or even high. I'll try and do it, sorry about it. Or even high up, straight. Also, the arm can extend, so if I just tighten that, the arm can extend out. I'll bring that down low so I get it into the shot. The arm can extend out. Now it extends to about just 15 inches. It extends out to, and you can obviously lower it as much as you want, but I'll put it at a 45-degree angle. Oh, it's a bit tricky doing this around the camera, but that's at a 45-degree angle, and then I'll leave it extended out, and like so. Now, before I get to showing you how to put it in there, the phone in there, you have an adjustment screw here for the angle. So it's a wing nut here, and there are teeth in this joint here, so you can set it to whatever angle you want. We have a clip here to tighten, to release, and to stop the rest of the stem going down. So you can set your stem length. We have a ball socket mount here with a tightener here, so you can swivel this around, and also the ball joint will go around as well. But when you're setting it at an angle, as you can see, there's a recess here, so you need to have that recess facing towards the back of the clip here, so you can get your phone flat. So I'll place it back on there to show you. Lower that down, and as I say, that's why you need the recess, so your phone is going to sit flat. And then you have the mount. Now the mount that you get with it does not contain, and I'll have a look, but it does not contain a 1/4 inch thread at the side. Oh, it does actually. I am telling a lie there. I'm telling a lie. The mount does have a 1/4 inch thread at the side. Now that is for that you can put your cold shoe mount on there, so you can hook a light to it, an additional light to the cold shoe mount, or your microphone to the cold shoe mount there. But the cold shoe mount is not provided. You do not get one. So you get this with it, the holder, which is similar to that one, which is padded in here, and has rubber mounts on either side, similar to this one here. So that's what you get with this mount. Now your phone, and I'm going to use my son's iPhone SE, fits in there like that. Now you must have, I'll recenter this on, I'll retighten that back up. Now you must have the phone flat on there, horizontal. Now the reason why being, because you're filming looking down, the back camera has to be facing down, so you can't really put it that way. It has to be that way, facing down. So it has to be the screen facing up and the camera facing down. Now you can set it there in the middle of the phone, because the mount holder is spring loaded, and it can take up to a iPhone X Max, right, or iPhone Pluses, or any phones that are large like that. Your Galaxy Notes can fit in there as well. They'll have no problem to fit in there. And as I said, it gives you a top-down view of whatever that you're doing. So as I said, you don't have to have it at this low angle. You can extend the arm up, but the phone must be pointed horizontal to get your down view shots. Other ways I've used this is by turning that way. I'll take the phone out and release the nut, the wing nut, and reclamp it back. Now you can use it that way as well. I have to release the ball head, so you can spin that round and clamp that way, and you can use it that way. Now when you're using it that way with the phone, especially if you've got a heavy phone, you need to put counterweights on the side here. So you need to put some sort of counterweight on the side, otherwise it will tip over. Now the reason why I suggest that you use it this way, if you're going to do a straight, more of a angled shot, so your shot's going to be more angle. So if I turn that, more angled like so, and this is more extended out even more, you do not want to get these legs into the shot, because these legs will start to come into the shot, especially the top part of the legs here. So by using it this way around, with the legs more extended out and a counterbalance placed either here or here on there, on the counterbalance, will stop this from tipping forward over. Now this is quite lightweight. It does fold down quite small, so if you want to carry it around for portability, it's not too bad to carry around, because it does fold down quite small, as you can see. It folds down quite small, and you can remove this. This can be taken completely off, or under here you can release this screw here and dismantle it, because when you do get it arrived, first of all, it's not boxed. When you get it from eBay, it'll be in a bag. It comes in a bag along with the mount, along with its mount there. It all comes in a bag and it's dismantled. The pieces up to here are all included in there, so all you do have to assemble this part to here to put the stem on, but it does come down folded like that. So as I says, if you want to carry it, you don't have to carry it that way. You can just simply release that screw here and then just turn it, and then just turn it like so, and then tighten the screw back. so it can be transported like that if you need to take it with you anywhere. But it's a good mount. I would say for its price it is fairly good, but if you want even more height, I'd suggest that you look at my Archon mount, and I'll leave a link in the description up the top there, so you can visit that video to see the Archon mount, which can go to a lot higher if you want a real overhead shots, especially when it comes to when you're doing cooking in a large pot or a tall pot and you need that shot for a downward view into that pot. The Archon mount is very good and better than this. Anyway, that's my video, a quick review of the Calligraphy video stand, which is made by, I can't say the name, so I will show you the name. I think it's AYIZON, which is made by those guys there. And I hope you like this video. Please do me a favor. Please like, please subscribe, and leave a comment down in the comment section. Thanks for watching.